Hello, beautiful people. My name is Yawa Bereshite and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you might already know, here we talk about spiritual empowering topics weekly. And this week's topic is going to be all about the new moon. I'm going to tell you how to do the perfect new moon ritual. So make sure you stay tuned to find out all about the new moon. So, first we're going to be talking about what the new moon is actually all about. The new moon is the birthing cycle of all the various new moon phases. The full moon is all about purging old ways, and the new moon is all about setting intentions, manifestation, and starting new beginnings. So during the new moon, the sun and the moon align, and the sun shines behind the moon, blocking it from our view. The new moon also marks the beginning for a new lunar cycle. So guys, why do you think the new moon is so powerful? The crazy thing that I figured out was, and it really made a lot of sense for me, the moon has unbelievable power over water. Like the moon creates waves as well in seas. And since our bodies are, correct me if I'm wrong, 70-80% made out of water, it's very, very likely, and it's just logical that the new moon or the moon in general has a very big energetic effect on people as well, because we're made up of water, just like oceans and whatever, which the moon also has power over. So we're going to get straight to all the equipment that you need in order to do the perfect new moon ritual. So I personally use candles, white candles for manifesting, and I have a number of candles here as well, and I use kind of all of the ones that I have for my ritual. And I also have other scented candles here as well, and I use all of these too, but you can only use like one candle, or you can use more than one candle, whatever you like. So yeah, so definitely get your candles ready, and also make a space, make an area in your room or in your living room or wherever you want, or even outside. Kind of make like a sacred space for your new moon ritual. It doesn't always have to be the same space, but it just has to feel nice and comfortable for you. Also, something very important for the new moon ritual and for rituals in general, or just everyday life, to be honest, is sage. I love my sage. I buy it on Amazon. It smells really, really nice. I'll put the link of where I buy it in the description below. So yeah, just light up some sage and really cleanse yourself. You know, cleanse your arms, cleanse like your hair. It will like smoke up just a little bit. Be careful while doing it. And it will just release this really nice scent. And when you light up sage, not everyone knows this, but also like chant, kind of like say like, um, I am cleansing myself of all negative energy whilst you do it. And as well, cleanse your feet, cleanse your arms, you know, and really feel the negativity coming out of you as well. And make sure you have a window open for when you're doing this so that all the bad energy can also leave. It's really, really important. So make sure you sage before your ritual as well. Also, something else we're going to need is a journal. And this is my new moon journal. It's really, really fancy. I really love it. But any journal can do. You just have to like it, and it has to feel nice for you. And definitely buy like a new journal, or you have to get a journal that you have not used. This is really important. And the journal that you get is going to be your new moon journal, and you're only going to write your new moon rituals in it, not your full moon rituals, nothing of that stage. You're just going to get a pen and write your new moon rituals in your new moon journal. Yeah, and it has to be like new or not used. Pages are not allowed to be ripped out and stuff like that. So literally has to be like not used. Also, you need a pen. I mostly use a blue pen. because I've heard that blue, the color blue, when you write in blue, it has a really good effect on your subconscious and it lets you manifest your intentions quicker. So I just always use a blue pen while writing important stuff or stuff that I really want to manifest. Also, another thing is crystals. I have this really small crystal. It's a very special crystal for me. My nephew got it for me. But if you have more crystals, definitely use them, and I'll tell you how to use it. If you don't have crystals, maybe consider buying some crystals, or if you don't, but you don't have to. It's your choice. It's up to you. Also, another thing I do is I get a glass of water and I fill it up with drinkable still water, and I just place it like beside the moon, as in like beside the window or somewhere where the moonlight will shine onto the cup of water. So just do that because we are going to be drinking the water the next day. So it's literally there. Well, it's the idea of it is to fill it up with water, fill a cup up with water, place it somewhere where the moonlight is going to hit the cup of water with its ray of light, and on the next day it will be like lit up with kind of moon energy, like it will be charged with moon energy, and then we're going to be drinking that. You can also do tarot card readings during the new moon, and I'm going to send you a link to tarot card readings in the description below. And yeah, you can just do a tarot card reading if you have tarot cards. Also, you are going to need meditation music. I'm going to put in some links below in the description of the meditation music I use for my rituals. So yeah, you can definitely use that as well, but you can use any meditation music that you like, but it should not be guided meditation. Okay, so when you have your sacred area, you're going to light a candle for your new moon ritual, or you can light more than one candle for your new moon ritual. But really you really have to feel comfortable in the space that you're going to do the new moon ritual. So light a candle of your choice, or more than one, whatever way you feel. Next, you are going to light up some sage and sage yourself. After that, you're going to put on your meditation music and start meditating. And whilst you meditate, really feel grounded. This is really important during the new moon, that you feel grounded. And the best way of feeling grounded during meditation is to literally imagine that you have roots growing downwards and around the whole floor, or if you're meditating on a chair or whatever, that you have like roots like around your, not around your legs, but like going downwards into the ground, so that you feel stable and grounded. That's really good for new moon. When you have that done, get your new moon journal, put your hand on it, and say this prayer. Then open your new moon journal and start writing your intentions. They can be bullet points, they can be sentences. Write down what it is that you truly want to manifest, either in the next years or in the next month, in the next week, whatever it might be. Write down what you really want in life, what you want to manifest. Make sure you write it all in the present tense, as if it has already happened. This is truly, truly, like really, really important for the new moon ritual. Try and be as specific as you can with what you are writing. Try and make your intentions and your manifestation goals really specific, but also don't go over the top on being like 100% specific, because you still want to feel good about it, you know? So just be as specific as you can, but also feel comfortable with it. Also, while you write all of these intentions that you want to manifest, feel as if these things have already happened. You know, feel as if all of these intentions have already manifested into your reality. and really feel all of those feelings that you would feel as if it has already happened. The new moon is all about new beginnings and new startups and all of those good new things, you know. If you want to change something in your life, or if you want to change a job, or if you want to find that perfect someone, or whatever it might be, the new moon is always best, the best way you can start doing something, or the best way you can bring something into your life. So, since the new moon is the perfect time to initiate new beginnings into your life, it is also the perfect time to take that inspired action. If you, for example, wrote into your new moon journal that you want a new job, that you want this and this perfect career, you know, the new moon phase is just the perfect time to really think about what are the steps that you can take to make you that one step closer in having your dream job, for example. Also, think about what changes you would like to take during that new moon course. So, after you wrote down all your intentions and everything that you want to manifest, also think about how you can actually contribute to manifesting these things. Like, if you want to grow spiritually, or just grow in a self-development way. I, for example, started journaling, and I've been doing it for a while now, and it's something that I started to do on the new moon, and it just opened up so many crazy opportunities for me. So like scripting or journaling is really amazing to like start during the new moon. So start anything and everything that you really do feel passionate about. New business ideas, new friendships, all of those new things, the new moon is the perfect time to start that. So after you've written down in your new moon journal what you want to manifest, and you can write half a page, you can write 4 pages, you can write a page, do whatever is comfortable for you and whatever you are ready and comfortable with. So when you've written down in bullet points or in sentences or even a story, it has to be personal, you know, write down what feels comfortable for you. So after you've written down what you want to manifest during the next period of time, whatever it may be, and you've thought of how or what first steps you would have to take in order for you to start manifesting this, after you've like thought about that as well, after you've done your entries in your journal, it's time to thank the universe, and you have to write this prayer after having written everything in your journal that you want to manifest. Whilst you write this prayer, thank the universe and feel really grounded and humble. If you haven't already, guys, then make sure you click the subscribe button below to find really cool topics like this weekly. And also don't forget to hit that bell button. So once you've written your thanks to the universe, close your new moon journal and just stack it away. And this new moon journal is going to be used only for new moon rituals. Also, another tip for you guys, a lot of people do this, and I sometimes do as well, but not during every new moon ritual that I do. Take a bath. You know, get those candles that you use for your ritual and just stack it around your bathtub and really take a relaxing bath and think about all that you've written down and stuff like that, and let that really sink in and just be happy about the things that you're going to manifest. And just really enjoy that bath and take that time for yourself. Also, as I said in the beginning, we were going to leave water right beside the window so that it can inhale all of that new moon light. And also, beside the water, leave your crystals out as well so that it can like take in all of that new moon energy. And during the next morning, drink out that cup of water that you filled and really think about those intentions that you set. And again, feel really happy and humble that those intentions and those manifestations have already taken place and are like literally taking place right now. And also, if you have one crystal, if you have more, pick a crystal out of the crystals that you've set beside the window, beside the cup of water. Pick out one crystal and carry it with yourself during the new moon phases or just during the month. It will bring really, really good, abundant energy into your life. So guys, this was my video for the new moon ritual. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed making it for you. As I said before, don't forget to subscribe, comment, hit the like button. If you have any questions concerning the new moon ritual, ask me in the comments below or hit me up on my Instagram, which is Your Mind is Heaven. So you can definitely contact me and ask questions if you need to. I hope you have so much fun in making your new moon ritual. I know I did, and I'm so happy that I could share. Have an amazing day, month, week, and year, and yeah, stay happy and bye.